Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of January 2025, our system has classified Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.07. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 1.79%. This corresponds to an average daily loss of 0.30% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests at the lower end of a broad and weak rising trend in the short term, which may present a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor, priced at $233.67, be breached, it will first indicate a deceleration in the rise, but it could also serve as an early warning sign of a potential trend reversal. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of nearly 10% over the upcoming 3 months, with a projected return ranging from approximately 8% to 22%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of around 44% within the next year, with potential returns between 35% and 59%. This would suggest a price range of $321.61 to $377.58 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock price up 1.97% on Wednesday. The Apple stock price increased 1.97% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025. It rose from $233.28 to $237.87. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.75%, with a low of $234.43 and a high of $238.54. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 5.68% during this period. There was an increase in trading volume on the last day, which accompanied the price rise, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 711,000 more shares were traded than the day before, with approximately 40 million shares exchanged for around $9.410 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $260.09, and the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 8.54%, or $22.22, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. In today's financial news, Apple has made headlines with significant developments that may influence its stock price in both the short and long term. First, Tim Cook is set to join other tech leaders, including Google's Sundar Pichai, at the inauguration of U.S. President-elect Donald Trump. This could symbolize a strengthening relationship between big tech and the new administration, providing a potentially favorable regulatory environment that may benefit Apple. On a more concerning note, Goldman Sachs hinted at the possibility of ending its partnership managing the Apple Card before the year 2030. If this partnership dissolves, it could adversely affect Apple's financial services strategy and impact revenue tied to the Apple Card. In a positive turn, analysts at Bank of America have reiterated a buy rating for Apple, noting improvements in gross margins driven by a shift towards in-house technologies. This trend signals a robust financial outlook and may enhance investor confidence. However, analysts are also cautioning about potential stagnation in iPhone sales and looming challenges that could pressure Apple's stock price. With an ongoing lawsuit against Apple and Amazon being halted in the United Kingdom, regulatory scrutiny remains a concern. Investors will need to monitor these developments closely as they unfold. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 9th of January, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned Apple Inc. a rating of underweight along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that MoffettNathanson provided a rating of sell for Apple Inc. with a downgrade recommendation. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein rated Apple Inc. as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, it was reported that Daiwa gave Apple Inc. a rating of outperform along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI rated Apple Inc. as outperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14, 2025, and so far it has risen nearly 2%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is identified. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. The Apple stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $238.90 and $244.72. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have provided a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands also signaled a buy 2 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 7 days ago. The interaction between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 5 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average produced a sell signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 165 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $232.87. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.11 between its high and low, which is 1.75%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.01%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This P/E ratio is considered to be relatively standard, typically found in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $2.36. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple stands at $243.85. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point of interest for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $232.87. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. On the first day of January 2025, Parek Kevan, conducted an insider purchase of 36,767 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 16th day of December 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams executed an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the same day, Jeffrey E. Williams conducted another insider sale of 34,752 shares of common stock. Also on December 16th, Jeffrey E. Williams sold 42,939 shares of common stock. Finally, on that day, Jeffrey E. Williams executed an insider sale of 8,384 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 27.944. In total, insiders purchased 2,096,037 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Apple stock a good buy? The Apple stock exhibits several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Apple will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 16th of January, we expect Apple to open down 92 cents and begin trading at $236.95. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.